how to express a broken friendship with your piano, and how to use your left hand and arpeggiations to create the emotions of dejection and sadness. Welcome to lesson 2 of this mini-series Broken Friendship. If you missed the first part of this mini-series, please go to the first session. You will find the link below in the description. In this lesson 2, we will discuss some left-hand arpeggiations. Think of arpeggiations as you think of a band or an orchestra. A band or an orchestra gives your music movement, color and rhythm. A band or an orchestra is kind of a musical backbone for your music and your melodies. So, train your arpeggiation skills. We will discuss 3 steps of your left-hand arpeggiations. First step, basic but very important arpeggiations. Second step, arpeggiations with tensions of the chords. Third step, arpeggiations using chord inversions. By the way, my name is Martin, and I'm here to help you to play freely and to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, let's go to the first step, basic but important arpeggios. I think you remember our improvisation. Okay, the arpeggios are based on our chord progression: A minor, F major, G suspended 4 and E minor. I think you remember. The first arpeggio is very simple but useful, and it gives space to the right hand and to the melody. We will use the 1 and the 5 of the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. This is for A minor. We omit the 3. 1, 5. F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. And G major. 1, 5. And E minor. 1, 5. Okay, let's apply this pattern to our melody. Okay, let's go to the next pattern. I think you know, it's a very common pattern. 1, 5, 3, 5. Once again, 1, 5, 3, 5. F major, 1, 5, 3, 5. G suspended 4, 1, 5, 4, 5. We use the 4 instead of the 3. And E minor. 1, 5, 3, 5. Once again. Let's apply it to our melody. Okay, let's go to the next arpeggiation. We use the 1 and the 5 and the 3 again, but we change the voicing and the register. 1, 3, 5, but we put the 3 here, an octave higher. 1, 5, 3. F major, 1, 5, 3, we put 3 an octave higher. And G, 1, 5, we put the 4 an octave higher. And E minor, 1, 5, 3, we put the 3 here. Once again, F major, G major 4, E minor. Let's apply this to our melody. Okay, let's go to step 2. But before we go to step 2, I have a present for you. During my many years of improvising, I summarized my experiences in a guide. I call it 4 Steps to Improvise Stunning Emotional Piano. You will find some important notes there on arpeggiations and how to combine them with other aspects of piano improvisation. You can download this guide for free. It's for you. You will find the link below in the description. It will help you very much to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, step 2. Arpeggiation with tensions of the chord. So, based on our chord progression. So we used 1, 5, 3, 5, but now we use the 4 instead of the 3. 1, 5, 4, 5. Once again, 1, 5, 4, 5. F major, 1, 5, 4, 5. G major, 1, 5, 4, 5. E minor, 1, 5, 4, 5. Okay, let's apply it to our melody. Sounds very nice and deep. So let's change the tension. Let's use the 2 instead of the 3. 1, 5, 2, 5 for A minor. 1, 5, 2, 5. F major, 1, 5, 2, 5. G major, 1, 5, 2, 5. E minor, 1, 5, 2, 5. This is our bad guy again, so we use a note of the chord instead. Let's use the 3. Let's apply this arpeggiation to our melody. Very nice. So let's go to step 3. Arpeggiations using chord inversions. Very interesting. So, based on our chord progression, A minor, this is the first inversion, but we use the second inversion in our left hand. Second inversion. F major, first inversion, second inversion. G4, first inversion, second inversion. E minor, first inversion, second inversion. Let's apply this to our melody. So, we play the melody one octave higher to have some room for our left hand. Once again. Very nice and clean and pure sound. Let's combine the second inversion with a tension. This is A minor, second inversion, but we use the tension of the chord, the number 2. Inversion 2 and tension 2. So, this one. F major, second inversion, and the 2. G4, first inversion, second inversion, and the 2 of the chord. And E minor. So we skip the 2 and we will stay here. Once again. A minor, second inversion with a 2. F major, second inversion with a 2. G4 with the 2 and second inversion. And E minor, second inversion. Let's play our melodies. This is very nice. With a very cool combination of a left-hand pattern and a melodic pattern. We'll come back to this in our next lesson. Okay, don't forget to download your free guide. This will help you to lift the treasure of your musical gift which is in you. See you in the next lesson. We will learn the very cool and modern combinations of arpeggiations and melodic patterns. See you there.